Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everybody. Homework for today, Friday, and we're going to use English grammar today. English grammar, pages 5 and 6. Reading phrases. Let's get started. This is a kitten. Here. 2. Those are kites. Here. 1, 2, 3 kites. 3. That's a butterfly. Butterfly. These are fish. Fish. B. This is a boat. These are frogs. Those are bicycles. Are. This is a train. Circle this. This is a train. Next, C. Exercise C. Those zebra are. This is that. 1. That's a lion. Say it together. That's a lion. This is a tiger. These are deer. Those are spiders. Those are spiders. That's a zebra. That's a zebra. This is a peach. This is a peach. Okay. Let's go next page. 6. There is or there are. There is something one. There are more than one. 2 kittens. We say there are 2 kittens. 2. There is a parrot. There is a clock. There are 3 crocodiles. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Look at the picture. There is a train. Do you see train? No. We write no. There are 2 trucks. 1, 2. Yes, that's correct. There is a bicycle. Oh, here, a bicycle. Yes. There are 4 cars. 1, 2, 3. Not 4. No. Great. And last, exercise C. Erasers 5. There are. We say there are 5 erasers. 2. There is a giraffe. 3. There are 4 pencils. There are 4 pencils. And 4. There is a scooter. And we write, there is a scooter. Great job for today. Let's answer the question. That is, what are those? And 3 words. 1. Say brother. Brother. Number 2. Sister. Sister. And 3. Friend. Friend. Right. Today is Friday. Tomorrow and after tomorrow we have a day off, no school. Do your homework, report, and send to me. You're the best students. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.